Namaste and good morning. Today also we are going to study the topic Ode to Tomatoes, Poetry, B.Ed first year, compulsory English, English for the new millennium. If you have that book, please go to lesson number 46, Ode to Tomatoes, page number 313. Let's see the topic. Better to know about the Ode to Tomatoes, Ode and Odyssey. We study in literature. So ode means something which we write to praise or we express the advantages, beautiness or likeliness of something, that is called ode. Here also we are going to explain these tomatoes in positive way. So it is called ode to tomatoes, means praiseness of tomato, how it is useful, how it is beneficial, we will discuss. Let's see the poetry. The street filled with tomatoes, midday summer, light is hot like a tomato. Its juice runs through the streets. In December, unabated, the tomato invades the kitchen. It enters as lunchtime, takes its ease on countertops, among glasses, butter dishes, blue salt cellars, it sheds its own light, benign majesty. Unfortunately, we must murder it. The knife sinks into living flesh, red viscera, a cold sun, profound, inexhaustible, populates the salads of Chile. Happily, it is weighed to the clear onion, and to celebrate the union, we pour oil, essential child of the olive, onto its halved hemisphere. Pepper adds its fragrance, salt its magnetism. It is the wedding of the day. Parsley hoists its flag. Potatoes bubble vigorously, the aroma of the roast knocks at the door. It is mine. Come on the table at the midpoint of summer. The tomato, star of earth, recurrent and fertile star displays its convolution, its canals, its remarkable amplitude and abundance. No pit, no hugs, no leaves of thorn. The tomato offers its gift of fairy color and cool completeness. By Pablo Neruda, 1904 to 1973. As I mentioned, this is nothing but the positive explanation of tomatoes, benefits of tomatoes, use of tomatoes, where we use, with what we use tomatoes, in which dishes we use tomatoes, in which occasions we use tomatoes. That is explained here. Given potatoes, tomatoes, chili, pepper, these are the things with which we mix tomato. And wedding or some ceremonies, special functions, there too we need tomato. like this. Let's see some glossary. Unabated, without becoming any less strong. Invade, to enter into a country or a town. Salt cellar, small container of salt, container for salt. Benign, kind and gentle. Viscera, the large organs inside the body. Example horse. Hoist, to raise or pull something into a higher position. Aroma, a pleasant. Convolution, a thing that is very complicated and difficult to follow. Amplitude, the greatest distance, a wave. Abundance, great quantity. Uh, these are some difficult words for us. This is exercise from book. You can see in the book. Paraphrasing or interpretation of poetry is given here. Let's see. Ode to Tomatoes is a poem by Chilean poet Pablo Neruda. This poem is about the homely subject and common food, tomatoes. The cultivation of tomatoes has turned out to be fruitful in summer, and thus the streets are filled with vegetable vendors selling tomato juice. Then it is December afternoon when tomatoes are being used for cooking the dishes in the kitchen, where it is sliced and added with onions, olive, potatoes, and pepper and salt. Tomatoes are the common salad of Chile. The tomato dishes are being served at the various occasions like the wedding. So tomato is shown as perfect food which shares only goodness to others. Thank you everybody. Please like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you. Thank you very much.